Hey, how you guys doing out there? This is Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy, giving you guys some good information that's going to help you navigate your way through the chaotic experience of finding health insurance. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between a PPO plan and an HMO plan. And this right here is good information. So first things first, if you don't know what a PPO is going to allow you to go to almost any doctor that you choose to. Whatever network, doesn't matter, you can go to that doctor without your primary care physician's referral. That is a big deal, without your primary care physician's referral. A lot of plans, especially HMO plans, we're not going to go too much into that, but with the HMO plans that are out here today, they only allow you to go to certain doctors, and then if you need to go to a specialist, and you have to get a referral from your primary care physician in order to go to a specialist for whatever condition you may have, that can take months. That could take a long time depending on when that doctor signs off for that. So you may have a condition or you may have a headache that you've been experiencing for a pretty long time. You need to go to a neurologist. You have to go through your primary care physician in order for them to sign off, in order for you to go to that neurologist. That primary care physician is super busy. They don't have time. They haven't had time to look at it. And you still have this headache that's been going on. You might be sitting on a tumor. Do you have time to wait in order to go to that not primary care physician, but that specialist? No, you don't. Because you want to go right to that specialist. You want to get this resolved. You want to get this taken care of. You want to be in the best shape possible. And waiting is not going to allow you that luxury. So having a PPO plan is going to cut out the red tape and waiting for a doctor to sign off for you to go to a specialist to take care of a condition that needs to be taken care of immediately. Now with an HMO plan, those are more affordable. You get less coverage, but a lot more restrictions. More affordable, less coverage, a lot more restrictions. A PPO plan, again, I just mentioned you can go to any doctor that you choose to. So if you have a physician or a doctor you've been going to for a very long time, and they're in a PPO network, most likely you can go to that doctor. You know, some insurance plan varies, some insurance plans are different, but a PPO plan is going to give you a larger network. HMO plan, you're on a limited network. I'm going to give you a scenario real quick. This actually happened to me at one point when I was younger, when I first got into the health insurance industry and I was really getting my feet wet. Just moved to Chicago. My daughter was skating, ice skating, everything was pretty, everything was good. And she fell. She broke her collarbone. Had a little bit of cash on me. And we went to the doctor. I was trying to save money because I just relocated from one state to the next. My funds wasn't quite there. Had an HMO plan, but I was out of network. So I ended up paying ridiculous prices. They basically got me real good, and my pockets still remember that. So it was like me walking. It was basically, I had insurance, but it was basically like me walking off of the street with no insurance, looking for someone to take care of my daughter and to get her together. So I ended up paying some money out of my pocket and still walked away with a huge bill. So when things happen in life, you don't have time to go through your phone and look for certain doctors that's in the network. You don't give a damn about that. You just care about getting the best doctor that's going to take care of your circumstance at that point in time. And that's why PPOs, in my opinion, are the best thing for anyone to have. Because once you get a PPO plan, and let's just say that individual's in network, you're going to get what they call the friends and family discount or the in-network discount. They're going to give you a certain price that's going to be within network. It's going to be a little bit lower because that person is in the network compared to being outside of the network, in which they're going to charge you like they don't know you. So you want to get friends and family discount or go within network when it comes to choosing a PPO plan. So I hope this video was pretty informative in understanding how a PPO work and understanding how an HMO work and how it can affect you. So if you have any questions on obtaining health insurance, you can reach me at vgaddis, that's Gaddis, .myhst.com, or you can call office at 770-628-5654. That's 770-628-5654. I hope this video was very informative to you. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. You guys have a good one out there and stay safe and healthy.